Hi, myself Umang Patel, MD Making Doctors Organization. Today I visited Georgia, and when I go through Geomedi University and I check that, I come to know that there's a FMG coaching class by Arise Medical Academy. So actually I come here and I met Dr. Priyans Singh, and I seen that more than 300 students are there learning since morning to evening, and they are sitting and they are right now also this is the last day of class, and they are not leaving the classroom because they want to learn more and more. So today sir is with us, so I just want to know that sir, when you come from India and meet the students of Indian community here, and they eager to learn, and they are sometimes when they are taking admission at that time they are worried about the FMG passing. So what is your experience overall in the students' journey?
It's so full of energy. The classroom is there. See those parents who are thinking that their child also pursue for the MBBS. If they get the admission in India, well and good. But the abroad option it's not less. It's almost at par. Provided the student is motivated to learn. आप इंडिया में भी ले लीजिए ना, आप इंडिया में भी कोई मेडिकल कॉलेज में जाएगा, कोई वहाँ पे ज़बरदस्ती नहीं पढ़ाता. बच्चा पढ़ना चाह रहा तो पढ़ेगा, नहीं पढ़ना चाह रहा कोई नहीं पढ़ाएगा वहाँ पे भी. The same way is here. If you want to learn, I have seen so many students from abroad that they have secured so good rank in NEET PG, they are in the INCT, they are doing MD from AIIMS. So it's no more less. The level of the studies are almost the same. They have good practical training also, so there's nothing to worry. You just have to keep your kid motivated that he's on track and he's doing nice. And one extra advantage that is there when they come to outside the India, what I felt is in India or यहाँ पे they see a new culture. They learn how to tackle the people, how to live life. There's so many new things, the new language, new food, and that is very much required. At the end of the day, when you come to practice, it's just not about knowledge. All these small things जो आपको mature बनाते हैं ना, ये बहुत काम आते हैं, and that makes so many steps ahead of your competitors. So it's nothing less. Don't go for your secondary plans. Means जब आपने 11-12 में बायो लिया ना, जब नीट यूजी का एग्जाम दे रहे तब हम सोचते हैं डॉक्टर बनाना है. Then when the rank doesn't come that way, we start thinking of secondary plans. ये BDS कर लेते हैं, ये कर लेते. Don't do that. Don't shatter the dreams just for that, because the competition is very high in India. Don't shatter your dream. Let's pursue that dream and make sure that your kid is doing the post-graduation from India itself, and then it's at par, no doubt.
Yes. Actually, Arise Medical Academy, especially known for its extraordinary results in India. We've seen that there are lots of students who eager and they pass the FMG exam in first attempt, and because of the guidance provided by the team of Arise, in Georgia also, the physical classes, face-to-face classes is coming and students learning. So Geomedi University is taking this initiative always, and with the Rise Medical, it is a really golden chance for the students. So what is your advice to the students who are currently pursuing in the first year to sixth year, how they have to prepare themselves and what mindset required for the FMG pass?
The early you start, the early it's better. So it's all about the start and the mindset, guys. If you simple as a rule, if you start in first year, you have to read every day 1 hour, and you will be done till your sixth year. Second year में चालू करोगे रोज 2 घंटे पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Fourth year में चालू करोगे रोज 4 घंटे पढ़ना पड़ेगा. So it's up to you that how much you want to invest, and the early you start, you will be more in comfortable zone, and it's going to be very smooth, guys. हम पढ़ने के लिए पैदा नहीं हुए पहली चीज़, लेकिन at the same time not at the cost of career, not at the cost of exam, right? The parents are investing so much for us. They are dreaming that one day you will come back, you will give social status, financial freedom, so many things. So let's work for them, and it's not difficult. थोड़ा तो sacrifice करना पड़ेगा. If you do small sacrifice, the things will start coming to you. And when you go out, select your college very wisely, right? Where the classes are happening, the Indian professors are coming, and that boosts the preparation. Right? So that is very important. And आराम से, it's going to be a cool journey.
Thanks a lot, sir, for your valuable information and inspiration to the students and future doctors. Thanks.